5 minutes later, his hands are restrained. Which, honestly, the reason I put up with his BS for so long is because we try our damnedest not to restrain anybody. But at least now he can't take off his oxygen, and maybe I can get some work done. But nope, he's got a new game. Throw a screaming fit. I swear to God, this grown-ass man in his late 60s, screaming that it's not fair, we're also mean, why are we doing this to him, etc., is really a tantrum, and he has no medical excuse to be behaving this way. And with that, now his vitals are all the way messed up, and oh boy, he's sure getting all that attention he wanted, because now we're all in the room trying to get him to stop before he dies. So the nurse tells him to stop it now, because he's endangering his whole life. He then screams, "Then tell that woman to give me her glasses." He then holds his breath like he's 2 years old. By this point, he's gotten his heart rate so high and his oxygen so low that we have no choice but to sedate him and intubate him and put him back on a ventilator, which he's still on now and may not come off of again, all because he did not get his way. Oh my goodness gracious, guys. You'd think that somebody in their late 60s would be mature and know better than this. I can't believe he held his breath and was willing to risk his life just to get those nurses' glasses. So I love this person's comment right here. This person says, this isn't a person just willing to endanger himself to get what he wants. This is a person who's willing to let everybody else around him die to get what he wants. Guys, I have so much respect for nurses and doctors that have to probably deal with this stuff on a regular basis, especially with COVID. But oh man, the way OP kept her cool after he kept spamming his call button for absolutely nonsense is incredible. So I was at a Walmart the other day looking at decorations, which are displayed in the main aisle right across the electronics department where I used to work. I haven't been there in about 3 years, but occasionally I'll get recognized. I'm guessing this is one of those times because I was dressed in all black, nothing even remotely blue. Anyways, I hear a sharp female voice right behind me. I turn around and there's Karen, and she says, "Hey, where's the kitchen utensils?" I told her in the home area. It's up front by the pharmacy. Now, I said this out of pure reflex. I was so used to customers asking me where things were that I think I'll always respond immediately by telling them exactly where to look. Karen says, "I know that. I was just up there and couldn't find them." I told her, well, that's where they are. Excuse me. I moved to get past her, which was difficult because she maneuvered her cart in a way that it was pretty much blocking all foot traffic in the busiest part of the store. To my surprise, she actually moved. She had a strange look on her face though, kind of like a deer in headlights, with a lot of rapid blinking. When I walked past, I noticed her taking her phone out and dipping down a side aisle, and she was hustling. Oh lord, I wasn't sure what was about to happen, but I knew it was gonna be loud. So I was walking down another aisle when she burst out in front of me, slightly out of breath, holding her phone out in front of her, like she was talking on speaker with who I assumed was the customer service line. Karen, out of breath, says, "So, I'm at Walmart, and oh look, here she is. You, come here." She's still panting while she points and beckons at me. I was honestly confused at what was happening. I owed this woman exactly none of my time, and she comes up to me instead and says, "Say hi to Facebook. What's your name?" Shoving the phone into my face. This Karen was recording me in a Facebook Live video. I said, "Hi Facebook, why are you friends with her?" And Karen responds, "Ooh, she's got a sense of humor, how cute. She won't tell me her name." And this is Walmart, today's December 17th, 2018 at 10:30 p.m. Then she ends the video, and she says, "I have you on video. I'll be sharing this with the city's Walmart Facebook page. Have a good day." So yeah, it's now 2 days later, and as far as I know, Walmart does not really conduct investigations through Facebook, so I think I'm safe, guys. My friends, I would not even know what to do if some random person just decided to put me on blast on Facebook Live in front of a bunch of people. I think I'd have to grab her phone and smash it, I don't know. But what would you do if someone randomly put you on Facebook Live harassing you like that? I also love this person's comment right here that says, "Oh, that's so sad. She sounds like the type of woman who wonders why her adult children move so far away and never visit anymore." Now that's kind of sad, but it's still no excuse to take out your phone and record somebody for not helping you. So, airports at this time of year are crazy, and I understand the frustration that many people have when flying. Hubby and I are flying home from seeing family, and our flight has been delayed